I just made some high security Honda motorcycle key blanks for my friend. Documented it. I'm going to do some for myself. The machine is as I just left it, so it is completely ready to go straight back to work. It's a beautiful thing. Oh man, I'm just so hitting the mark. I wish it had micrometers on the X and Y so I could measure, you know, the exact specs of where I'm at. But it's more of a use a setup key, or use a key you already have to line it up, or else you guess, and you know, it's kind of difficult, but it is what it is. And again, I don't know how far to shoot the warding cup or cut up, nor do I know the exact dimensions. I've never had one. Just creating these from scratch, from pictures I saw. That's one. Whoops. I hate whenever I hit my own magnifier. I really do. Really, really do. Wow, that was 3 already. Man, that was fast. I was having so much fun. I didn't even keep track. So, this is what we created, or I created. This is what you watched me create just now. High security Honda. And I don't know if I need to widen it. Sending them to a friend so that he can let me know. And I used the second to smallest slotting wheel, and I did more actually, so I'm going to keep 2. He's getting 3 plus the test key. This is a lot of fun. If you want a keyway master, holler at your boy. I might be able to find you one. But they are expensive, so don't waste my time if you can't afford it. Minimum $3,000. Most likely. I might get lucky, who knows.